Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play against the nurse in Dead by Daylight. Mastering this killer requires understanding her unique blink mechanic. We'll cover predicting her movements and using the environment to your advantage. This guide will help you improve your survival rate against one of the game's toughest killers. Get ready to learn some essential strategies. The key to countering Nurse's blinks is to break line of sight. After her first blink, quickly move behind cover. If she commits to a second blink, try running directly towards her. This often disorients her, making her miss. Remember, unpredictable movement is your best friend against her powerful ability. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Map awareness is crucial when facing the nurse. Prioritize areas with tall, solid obstacles that can block her line of sight. Open fields are extremely dangerous, so avoid them at all costs. Utilize windows and pallets not for traditional looping, but to gain precious seconds and break her chase. Every second counts. Certain perks can significantly aid your survival against the nurse. Perks that give you information about her location or provide a burst of speed are invaluable. Teamwork is also essential. Communicate her position to your teammates and coordinate generator repairs and rescues. A united front stands a better chance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.